106.3. Okay, I don't want to say anything. Something.
Thank you for peace of mind. Thank you for much.
Say that when you na kubensu na ni fruits no name tree.
To me. Say that thank you for love. Thank you for peace.
Say that Suma Messiah Adom DWASO NSEM Health and Better no is brought to you by Performance for Men. Nutritional supplements for vitality, performance, and immunity. It's performance. 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 Performing.
We will praise your name.
Oh, boy, papa. DJ Wana.
Only all around, I'm a big boy now. She's in the kingdom.
Oh, where Baba now, Numbia? Obercote,
everybody come around there.
You're ready performance.
Put on your dance shoes, hey. Lift up your hands and shout, hey. The body's hot, oh. We are hot.
Akwai Maseo. I love radio.
Jim FM.
The friend of DJ Awan.
Come on. That's so Christo when Quran on the was what you mean why? What's wrong if I'm why Quran on the was what you mean more? Christo when Quran on the was when you're your moon. What to me, what? What to me, we are around you, so when you're young, we are around you, so what's wrong if I'm I go around on the whistle? Sure, what to me, we are around you, so when you're young, we are around you, so
Remember, friend of Quack Jesse. DJ Awan Adam.
Come on, come on.
Progress Savings and Lows and Crosswankwa. King City Real Estates, your number one destination for property buyers. From 0508-199-625. American Premium Furniture, where quality sells. Enterprise Life Insurance, your advantage. Castor Oil, it is more than just oil. It is liquid engineering. I'm in Scientific Clinic. Allah Shafi God is the healer. Lily sunflower oil, tasty food, happy family. Tabia Heba, make sure you're true and authentic Heba med. Sing. Vodafone. The future is exciting. Ready? Ghana Revenue Authority say men can trust about value added tax, National Health Insurance Levy, Communication Service Tax. Returns down for June 2018. What about and then this year, one fan choir, as some of the one in a cada 500, but I know free, now 2,000. Our taxes, our future. Ecobank is in Busau, say, who are registered mobile line. And if I Ecobank thanks a million promo. Transaction be about Yubiano, Yabachawadi. You'll that's what download Ecobank mobile app, no simple cry from Play Store or App Store. And I said simply you better dial *770#. Now we're activating Express account. Customers say they can inum pepe pedo echamadia pa. Ecobank, the Pan-African Bank. Nami Beshawudi Kron Kron Macau Cassie Yashire Amansa Nami Beshawudi Kron Kron Vodafone Sebra, you're 10 years, we are 10. I tell you, I come home 10. What the answer for 135? What could run on the what to be yes, so Christo, why could run on the and you what's on the family? Why could run on the what to be Pacho, Joy News. Habitat Fair no Ebebaso. Yedi kind a 4th August. They could say 5th August. No pa no watch and watch motamo. You toss me 18th August. West Hills Mall. Fresno 243-859-367. Habitat Fair 2018. Affordable housing for all. Bomodia say obehwehwe Papa's Pizza chia kwa no pay. We are na what to be aboso. You will be a friend of Monday Madness deal. And no dear frey, ye the bebre kakraka 40 Ghana. Na what you drink aka ho. And as opa till fingers na for phone na no dial *844*10#. And that's all the phone that free 0241-150-555. You better pick it about near Bokomo, near the Abro, near the Econo. Good morning,
Captain. Morning.
Maybe I find it.
Nyami Adom, we the Eric can be there. Kaun say BBI fine. Because sorry about Kubo graphic and my who yam shame me.
Yeah, 150.
Charlie Akatiapa
150.
Working by 7.
Minister
working but starving.
Yeah, we are working but we are starving.
I say tema motorway a gitu bebre and so motorway na Ankasa street light ekura so. Nti any bista I say you are working but you are starving. It's bad. It's bad. No, but my dream was 1.5. How much will you save?
Oba hwe na 1.5 no onte adwuma no mu. Ebi ote be bit sa amasamai.
Transportation.
No bedroom to search motor.
But it's serious.
Enti okobi keke se de be yankofo be hu so no so sori okwadwuma. Ti bosum besu bia na odeka.
It's serious.
Bosum besu bia na odeka. Eno ni asema ho. Awuja.
Eja.
Bibi abo.
Adumu.
Na mo court na ere. General.
And right, okay. Na something lad in a bit me actually we on a lawyer or be na court and say Breseye Iran Krabi Fadate on a lawyer ni Edima Ajafati or says or catch a court and say on to us 7 and now say a fa baby or her paragraphs verse in CB or my kemak was who and from so winty. Court ni nyina so nanka any on the latest paragraphs ni nyina infrim court ni tie mu ya no say la na se we nti ni ento asem no ntwentwene court be say ye nti wo se wo mu ntua 600 Ghana cedis asem no ba pote na ye de court no de ye nka akora ye ntwentwene no eno ne ya hwe so afa ni ayi enu afiri ho no mu a e da court be ka say ye mra biu no ene ye be ko asem ba pote no so nti ho tete ho no kakra no asemba potene de waka wo baabia to twene nye nokre ye nsiesie hwe ye nyi ma afi mesiesie na we so nye asem na nkasa ne yaka na court si ye ntua 600 Ghana cedis there bi be fi bi cost na cost na naka na cost cost say ebra wo me ya say no yakoso mprensa no na yibusa aka no ema wo mu asemba no de afi ne yakoso enti na ye daily graphic me na nesa me voice wo fomu afa che me sanse me ra ho
are
working but starving reality
captain say what na now dream ho
as and pay me by na me kana me
1.5
150
1.5 ebi nrusa
at the end of
mami show omo ton credit mobile phone credit ni omo yesa transfer no obi na aye no container wa fa credit wa fo ba betina tira anye yi a Ghana bosume na graphic mama baso pa Seth J Bokpe nyankopon shaw story out there be wose ye adwuma nso kom ekuyen ye chine kom enye de yankase de afuna to wose bia ye azumi ana ye fasting ne mum eyo hia ene ahokere democrat ayi sesa wo hwe aban akatua watwa to wose edakro bia na obi ye adwuma afama no nipa bi wo Ghana ha no mu ade de ma wo mu no enusa yaka dakro de no kra bo ho mpredu na wo chirema wo sesa wo ba aban nwuma no mu a ena ene yakatua ne yakatua amafo ko strike no he wo kwa ankrankra nwuma na ma nipa bi ammobo pa na wo chirechire mu se nipa bi wo sika ye de ma wo bosome no nyina no wo mu ntimi ni sika no na wo twemienu ntam enti ama obi ohonum a onye kronfo enso obebo krono obu ohonum a udu sika ama ne so mfanye bibi mawo anka ade no nka ofri na komo mbepe so obeye pa enso kom de no abada ho so akrama nka nipa enti na ama oye de entene na wose oyi woni a wenu wanka mfa woni a wo mu wobie nso omo kasa arezi abrabo na kwakodum pempeso omo ho nso no na mum de ono no de ba ne botom kra no enso no na wose wo hwe nipa bi a akatua omo gi wo Ghana ha 1.5 tete no 150 Ghana bi kra de wose o me de ye 450 na amafo ye tani pa no so adwuma omo ye ne den na obu nkonta wose woni a eboa ewejade ti say baby enu anuane ton chop ba sei na wafa mmaba na ne mranti wa no mo service no omo bo shop attendant o beton me ne mama me amakwala me ne ye adwuma ni o ahe no de ma no wani atwi nkrofo private car drivers no yes omo de anya kra house helps de ye nka woma sem atete ne ade tantan wo fie nyina so omo tete
house helps bosme 100 e be 50
50
be a 50
udidi a
be 100
it depends
what if you ona udidi
edware ho
ye bibia o bosme so 50 Ghana
the way now you are baba ubetonku ubeye wuti ubesha draws ubesha tire
be captain house help the no crowd if maybe ana nipa no arrangements for instance maybe obeko ebi crowd your mokto school
because school
obedidi obeda everything o nkuni we say okay na bi is provided then maybe a time of stay or no the arrangement na say be abosome this is what obe send the mama no papa or something that one but I'm even looking at one a faka adwuma na bosome beso 1.5 na transportation nkwa because I know e bi mo obenante nante saa wo kwan on nante ya on madam fi ono oba no wo we biscuit ni pure water we saa nante chese
ya hometi o
serious o
ya hometi wo krom ha obi wo honom nso so a ba bi oye adwuma no nya adwuma eda fom ahemache kwe na wosi ho ba ye adwuma kokosi anajo ahe ene ede ma no ahe ene sani pa yije na wo hwe ene health system ya aye ba se
na wo yare a
said the two obi nchen po de onu po do eyo eya obedi bobo ese no na dibi de enya nkwasom tu no obedi bi na de onu obaba betena wadwuma mu ababa soma yese woni ebefa o mepe work and pay we atua neka 1.5 enye ni nyina ebi ye pa but baby wo ho no mu a emu areho na enwuma na obobo so no wo se hairdressers and afi seamstresses so mo pomade na mo mietire work and pay afi
hairdresser am 1.5
I say hairdressers no bobo airport security we do 202 Ghana cedis
can you imagine
security
airport security airport
what they want mine for the aba
security
202 Ghana
captain esa oboban na ochiade a otimi stamp authority ka se we die
one would the entire ama say bribery never be the agro
never be the agro serious
but your from na count salary tremi
is
natural adwuma na say adwuma na density
what the count
salary I said this say boys now 1.5 on some so na obeda ba adwuma
now on boy on dey no need
the situation very serious
I am some we share housing system nipa no behind that udeti you 1.5 is your bema anya hwe obenya akodonkua bi oba bi a one ne hyehe ho obehind dan obetua light bill
1.5 anya afi na akoya akodonkua
what did no be firewood enti abrabom asitrenti ma onwo
esa your calculations here
abrabom asitrenti so your ba
girlfriend
na sa akodonkua ho na hye ase efiri
now
agro no hye ase efiri ho no
0302216561 216562 edwuma be na wo ye waka tua te sei ne na be kan de
de nkan ye de ye enfa ye de massive wo kra
private security for na afre no o say ye very common what's the private security at time
oh line akate I said,
hello.
Hello, good morning.
Oh, good morning, Capito.
I was trying to say.
But Nyamiadum, I was there.
Nyamiadum.
Oh, Captain, I am Yankasa, but Madame could be or your Jimo, your Jum baby. My minister was almost 20 Ghana for Smith, but I mean 1 2 Smith, no, me now. And Tizika Mujibu Smith 280 Ghana. She can sue. My minister was Jim Smith, or Tim Smith, but Smith, my minister, Capito, a Yamobo. A Yamobo Kumaha. What you Smith one tier, mom. 1 tier.
Okay. But that's it. Yemfa nipa foforo. Wow. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho mamintio.
Nso me yaduma wo company pese bi mu wo Accra happy. Na. Enya sense to account. You bet you okay, you bet to see who contact in Smith and no BBR no the 490 Ghana coffee. And only a problem.
Na ka usika send on the coffee.
490. Me wo yire any ma. Omo mi no ewie GSS. Omo be toaso. Me give 490. May they have your own secondary school.
Wow.
Boss. Okay, I'm on can be my
Pacho you. That's it. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho mamintio.
I some way the person with the aba. To be frank, me meet Accra, meet tema we are far. We could not want someone. It won't say the bear sorry see money when you that doesn't mean to say we could need more baby a men call. Fine. Me tema we are from could not want someone. Me salary is a company who building and fencing real estate we be. Me cash from Accra to Isahom every day. And we see my salary 500 Ghana cedis. But if my cousin, message saying, I buy you and say, me saying,
hey,
me shampaboa, me kwaba. Hey, this morning I'm preparing to leave to Isahom right now.
And what a hen now con someone?
Make it time man or Yarifa, Aboko Bitwano Soho.
What a termine?
Or
Yarifa.
Me na make actual, my salary 500 Ghana.
What in Yabotre? And I will fuck out what time be no con someone.
Miss from Tema to Medina to Isahom to the office itself. That's my.
Nasa, and you cry every day. Your best spend about 5 cities. Our car.
Every 5 city from Medina to Isahom fair near 5 city 20 pesos.
Hey.
From Medina, Omulodi, me track my 5 city 20 pesos.
And you in
and out get 10 city that me drian si can buy, me show si can buy.
Yeah, calculation ni nyabotre. What if you hoba Medina and cry there, you find somebody a check. And you are saying
2 city 20 pesos.
2 cities 20 pesos. You find all the 2 cities are. In and out, and I want in and out in your 4 cities.
Yeah.
And
Medina call a 5 city 20 pesos.
5 cities 20 pesos.
Yeah.
And he fancy also 10 cities.
Intimate me see junction so I ask office so 1 city 40 pesos.
1 city
40 pesos.
And then I just all the cost also the NHS pesos no so do 1 city. And see 4 10 2 1.
Yeah.
Hey, 14 16 17 cities a day now the fuck out.
Into mini 26 and I said that me 26 I'm not going to mean did you know. Into media and see way away. I hear a media day.
It is who spend 17 cities a day fuck car. Now bush market to 500 cities.
Different. I can't say.
Hey.
Maybe and see can mayo. A young girl like me. 30 years, may me tea, may we met at a medressy, me pabua me office. Look at me. A woman said the I said, and a Jumani, sometimes will be so my offer, and police a mouth if ye, then I'll be papa. You're forced to go and do it. Sometimes a view on so are. Me, Mrs. Penny say, or Tibema camp, or quite more spinters, me, I could say 300 Ghana. And I did a command who say, Tabro now who owns this company in Ghana and say, Obama say Ghana man, you know, most of the companies they hit between 400 and less. Opa, trust me, go. It's just some few companies, Vicky, can I say? I pay money here and I am a workers in the crowd. But most of the companies owned by these Lebanese, Chinese, and most of them, Omuka and Kosoro. I guess some few companies, we Makuma go be pen, who pay the ministers of the 23 Ghana. Omuna muye labeling Ice Park, wine, Vena, that those labeling for for drinks anyway no. Nisika saying ofaka saying. Nti we dey what dem show for my enu echi me pa mo chow. Sinit ni for no so ya na mu ndi echire kakra. Mimi wo say yentua sinit. Imagine.
Pacho, my emphasis here. Wow. Well, but Kofi kind message, no, they are kind. What they are kind.
What's it, Captain? I'm a radio DJ at Koforidia. You try me 100 Ghana, 100 Ghana.
In the same Janica.
DJ, or just 300
Ghana. But Captain, it will be so I say, what country anusa? No economics kakra. Ebi o hwa on.
Sana was say obrano Kofi.
Enya sakora but.
Unya kwafo so we animachi.
I'm only here. I'm not saying such situation you. A very sad situation.
Or your bar unity. Fan say, yeah, hello, good morning. Good morning.
Morning, Captain.
This is serious, eh?
Very.
Captain, to say.
Abushanye, Demiti dia say nye papa o.
Yeah, Captain. Baby a momenka. Won keep me number na mo memo be hwe baby. Adwuma no ma ne nsa hu nyina ehwane. Osme be so no. 40 Ghana ko nyame anya wo.
Oh, asma na kan. Oh, Dabi, what do you mean? Hold on. What do you find? You know, Manasa, you're very important. Number here. Kofi, we are Banna was about 300 Ghana. What's your unity?
No, I'm just giving because you also offer us for 2 months ni me so no pa one city am de benum kokokura no se menya no he me chi say adwuma ni menya bi. That is why me hear that balance and
hello. Yeah, hello.
Good morning.
Morning, Captain.
Yami Adom. Yam fa callers ne sa you wi ane.
It's serious situation eh.
Oh, but what you mean?
Me ton kapa hin ba.
One say ye de nyanya se sa de we abetodwa. Smart. Sa nyama we nyina ka hu bi e mama adwuma kro no kitin. Happy sa. Because I keep here because from the ma mo fra na say workers no time na bufu. Me say me ba say yama de 2 million of aka. It is smart. De bia me na me ma me ba no le fe. De bia me ma ne no le fe. Enti busu me so a kakro benya no. Le se fatu na so fe bitu botu. Uma san start no le fe. O me miensa. De bia ba. So and the mama enkola ne sika sei ana workers butu am ka sei ya. Ebe de no nya bibi wo ho no ma won tam koton. Sade me wen na ka mu bi na be kom no fa ebia mo fu de bia ya. Unsa omu bi pro ma fa Ghana ni pani a won oda no ate so afa nkofo no. Enti so mu tue sika no ma pani na pani na tete kwala de sika no. What I say? Sade me kosu bebre me na fo bebre a ya form drivers wo adwuma mu a me pese be company tie. Ghana for no ana fa nkwala ne do mo ba enti mo fu ni tue sika no pepepe ma Ghana ni pani no wo ho no a no atete nkwala ne sika no so. Nkwala so tibi enkofo we de nkoka. Oka e be ka se ko o boss no be fa o ne ho. So it is a fact that we are in idea. The beer workers be we are no ma betonton. So the be also obenya bibia ja na ere ne.
That's it. Obi say, Captain, good morning. I am a widow with 3 children, ending 500 Ghana cedis. Hey, Kofi,
saying
500 message ni matro you no so kwa de ho asoso na go on kai
o a matre
or a widow na boso so 500 Ghana cedis
nti ne man obeda hwe o.
That's it.
We say anyway when I na yen calculate transport me say transportation ko afi ma on.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Captain.
Ebusha ma minti
Bragafku heya the magafku first nanka ye ko clinic we are out the clinic. Canteen. She say no canteen, no hospital, no transport. 400. Be ye some you cool movie see Captain. Abrofuni go on. Yenye be before penny for now so I said I'm over start here juma for friend person muto mu pay mu see enye abrofuni jai. Ko here juma no. Katu gas company ni mu awon owura be ho adwuma twi fa nipa be 20,000 bisa say nipa say ni hom teni nye to ya no ko u betre fi so unya bi ni u betre fi u problem wa bo bi sin abo can't serious.
Okay. My eldest son completed UPSO 2 years ago. He's currently working at Dansuman with a savings and loans credit company. I've rented a room at Mamobi at 150 Ghana cedis per month for him for 2 years. His monthly salary is 600 Ghana cedis a month. It will take him 12 years to even pay the 2 years rent. 12 years.
For transportation me hu ye beka because ene de we da nte sa ye sa onante
you transportation no tuncha won say last na ye ka ba bia yete ene ba bia ye dwuma wo ya na hu hia wadwe be ye say ba bia wote no oh kaso de dan boofo o amasama de dan boofo o de o ka sika no e be ka ho no
na e kase. Hello, good morning.
Good morning,
Mpacho mamintio.
Pacho, on the Democrat no cre. Over Spintes area. Companies are over in no. One was the kiosk now, what we will be in and yet didn't you. The old application that's all tip the dance man a young fowl. Yep, around Spintes station wa area. And some among the Choku or not kiosk and good no. Cheap labels number. Good application call ya Mama Chair by the by and to one young fowl.
Juma or no problem. We had a go for no investigation or in 200 Ghana, 50 Ghana, no help Mamuya, the Kataka bar, or Mamma to a man and Mr. B. One company duo, or money. Masa chap, Ramon was up now. Name finding in Yankasa Mitchell, Captain Maya Juma, company Mamma Modicity. Almost 10 years in. The pay a media, Maria, you did in our off, Babaya 5 fair, companies in Ya, as Manay.
And to just say, containers, some honey, and a microphone, or fear children, what about society in this one or two? Oh my God.
Into my honey, is our kiosk, a month of 150 Ghana cities, kiosk, a month 50 Ghana cities on my high was thinkers wing that. Into a amount of now, labor. The people are not yet giant foul. Go for so nanti, and I don't fuck out what you know about my foul. And no, make what me, I'm to captain. But yeah, you almost 10 years away from the CIA. A management by almost a moon side. Captain, my idea is CIA. Let me give 430 Ghana cities.
Huh?
430 Ghana cities. The first one.
430 no, would you estimate room? Would you taxes room?
I'm the TV, 400 Ghana cities. 430 Ghana cities.
It's a Busuma Sika the coffee 430 Ghana cities.
Ghana cities, Captain. As they lay off, none of me fresh channel, no, catching some or catching so almost compensate 1 month pay. I'm so young, I'm friend for more money answer. 1 month pay, how many can you pay? Won't say, or my dear, final. Because with them throw.
That's it.
I am working in a company at the industrial area. We are paid.
Yo, yeah, that's it.
We are paid 1.2 a month. Now 1.2. Now to down so manner.
We should say, Captain, a banker with a degree is paid 677 Ghana cedis. A banker with a degree. And he or she is supposed to wear white or blue shirt.
Yes, with a tie.
And a jacket and a tie.
Correct.
And no clothing allowance.
Yes.
All from the above 677 Ghana cedis.
Captain, situation on the Abema one who say who pa no.
No.
What's that? When yes, warm pill. But the situation is say or you're not going to say Jaya. I want to know, I don't know, because as some say, or complaining in ano, or when I know a day, Sikanenya Jaya. Oh, that is the
Captain, I'm a laundry guy working with a hotel. Who is paid 400 Ghana cedis and take a car from Medina to Usu, which cost 8 cedis a day. So 8 times 30. When you figure out what if 400 Ghana name. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho Mamintio.
But over Kwame. If I tell me, baby, senior high school, I'm senior, I'm quite tired of that. Not need Pamucho, moon co private schools. I'm could be fair on way on what I far there, radio, movie second on with you, who read the whole. As low as 150. 150. There's about 200 in the next away there, there's a watch school on the Tumukaka.
Okay.
And yes, I'm Kito, Captain, so my mini push near to me, and it's a gun and penny for say, I would tell a man. A year for living in Uncle Point, you, President Polan, a year for living in Uncle Point, child. Check and penny for empty. When you took a so would you, as Graciano Conova, 4 billion in your mouth would you. I am for living in Uncle Point, no, so mine said, I would tell a man. Yes, it comes with a good man.
Okay. Captain, I am working for some private sector company. They said they will pay me 200. I wanted 300. It took us 2 weeks to agree on the 200 Ghana cedis a month. Yeah. And for 2 years, they didn't pay me. No social security also. So the issue is so much in the system. I paid 5 cedis every day to the working side. And for 2 years in Trianica.
For saying 2 years.
2 years. 200 necro patch.
I know company be a waterma. Or yeah. Ghanaian company. A Jumaifo no more no. A day or so yeah Juma ebro time no on 2 overtime. When you holiday. enti uba no aka cho say say ene ye 6 March na se Ghana ban no si ne ye holiday no on ne tua wo kadea tenafie ubeba adwuma yentua no overtime allowance enye se holiday na waba ni ntie be ma bibia o normal salary na woje no eno ane de be ma na se uyare na wo ma adwuma yetifi wakatuem
ena ye workers na so bia send message o se yentua omoka you should wanna say that
sasam no etwetwere ho
Captain Tiewe your friend me Joe me wadansoman in fact me call it me wura mu anka mani beje pa ma fra emma kofi masem nie me a people teacher e private school bi mu na bosome makachia e 160 cedis me papa yare se me boa no akachia no sokra no 160 no sokra mae say nyo no ho kra no wo hwe o
me kwasa guy bi na minim say issue we beba or purchase or your manager or yeah just a man who marketing manager of a company
I do wrong kwajo for your
350
eyara wosemo eyara eno na mabone fosem nipa ewie sika na make say to de bia nipa ni bi hu ni conditioner ama ode ko tibia bi mu a ye nsuso so se obeye bone no ba ya na hu ni se wumu anefo anase wumu anebem onyeje ne so anasa wonhye no sansa enema bi nkoye enu nti na edu ba bi na ye betena ha ne ye ka na ye widening tax na hwan a eya na makometi obitimi cost strike adan ya ne tire allowance obitimi cost strike oman ba ku na o privileges awo no enu abi na nipa no wo e bia wo mpo de nyame na ye wadom ba bia wo woto ye woto sie so na nya school bi koye ono kra ni kura ye wo no tumu no na school ni ho hwese kuro ya na no ya bobobo mu din school kura bi ni ho besi no enti bisa ho se wo ananya me wadom ba ama obeye minister chief executive officer ya na ye bobo political positions no ye kra ye mistake enyo omo nko a director chief director said that companies ano ye bobie katua so a aso de kwa kwachichiri kuro nipa ba akofo hwede bi mo bre wase ho
member mesa ba bobi kura sese
article 111 holders wa wie ni nyina na ya jeje ne so ama ne security ama ne cook ama ne bibia no o kofi asesa s gracia e de kwa kwaja no kwan enkwada no wo fie bre enye nkwada nko ampanimfo obi ye ema no de ayo because obeye ofre ya okan anye hwe ukunu be sokete na obema na ono ehwe yire ehwe ma no hwan na sokete no enti eno na ma to de bia ni brekasa
no man so many na Kofi do the second on a secretary my union of private securities in Ghana eje do teme kan me watching
yo meje also
na bibia e bokọ de
ma nyame adawroma
ye ka kwati asem na me ne private security for bi di nkomo obo na ketu kire me se oboa e we airport ha ya we airport na me se oboa na se me ntwen no na oba na call ne moto ho oba no de the pay slip be kire me sika was you 202 Ghana cedis bosome and then busan say oye den no bed mo say to da onante or jogging tin grofo share na mu say security man we do active or say enye say active or say so jog ba anya say na bush market ya no enso no aduane o de beto adi madwuma yi etesen akatua no tesen
yo na das ni chia matiefo nso ya adwuma no mom de enye na eme ya se ya katre aban se aban muntu aginetu kuobi a ombeze private security fo nyina so no mon hweso ombe because obi bo ho ban yem fan so te ho hwesi kampempem no o manu takupe ne hye di botuma na ni bebre wan hwe ya no atwa ne ho no afasika bi tika ho na boy ho ban no ye hwe omo yi a omo ani so mre sika ene ajapade a ye hwe so nso omo nge me our friend me a general secretary bisa say private security for be 1,000 and the okrum Ghana ha also be 16 pe and the work union mu amitimi kasa mo won aka nyina ni union enti akati a wuken e am papa oni union na union akasa kire no o from poto mo mra union meeting o mo ma am fi say o dada o mo Nti wo baby ni etua 200, etua 150, etua 80 cedis a. No afa wade. Empeni for na da union security companies na annon so no. The me ya ni say P soldier for a police for. Omo ho no na labor law nya adwuma. Nti we PF soldier mu a wa ba be private or employed nipa no. Oni nya labor law no eka. Ti uko na aka kache say bra kire say so tua ni minimum wage. So tua ni social security. Obunu sa oba be ha no. Nti ebinom sheda ko meeting ka say union no ya gu no. Nti say asa gina hoyi. Mo amutua dues na accountant titi dues no mo bia. Union no enye adwuma wo ya ha. Ene di timi. Ya ka kire labor commission. Ya ka kire labor department. Omo nyina ntumi ya ho fi. Nti ubi sa ya mama ne no no.
Say me share adwuma so a private security for ya. Aya na wo hwe kra edoso. Omo ye more hours kra chain a regular security.
Omo ye 72 hours. 6 to 6. Morning to evening. 6 to 6. Evening to morning. Normally 6 days in a week. O hwe mra no mu a maximum working hours ye 40. So omo ye 72. 32 hours there that's all. Ye ntua hwe mo. What is the private security need over time? And let's just say 6 days no we you know. Yeah man not was 7 days. 7 days no over time. And now when we 6 to 6 or no. Be at your baby be na fi ho no no akofi akoda no MI. Nti oye juma fi ya 6 p.m. na akopem bed the next day. Ho na be 6 p.m. Na 32 hours don't be amodi kura ukoka so media private security over time na domain.
Eja nana mama na wase why? Me hu de me mbusa abium.
Matter Roma. Na mention am na adwuma amoye wa.
Nshas Kofi obi send message o has so 85 Ghana cedis. Oh. And my sending message so on from me after the show. 85 Ghana cedis. Oh. Also kwa adwuma no past 7 or ye adwuma restaurant or serve.
Shall
na mama fa amount for
85.
Yeah, listen.
Companies ni bi wo hwa ntumi nka.
Ebi wo hwa
company. Ebi wo hwa aye say oba ono ama wote ase say na metumi atua o. Enti no opa na wo hye. Ebi wo hwa obi say mo ka memenya ya nka na ne se mesori anopa na nka adwuma no sema kobi e fa ne sema kobi aba. Wo say Ghana no because of the unemployment rate enti no. Do that level say obi wo hwa obenya wa kobi keke no waba. And no man cry, but Metro Mass and they say I had the anti you can't want some way. Salary no. Mechanics edge 500. Drivers no edge 550.
Mechanic no what Metro Mass no.
Edge 500.
Tunum cars na say go.
Now okoye on one drivers edge 550. Conductor edge 400. And senior staff omo ho no mo station ho ne ade no omo je 200.
Can you imagine? And no so ya papa mpanifo asan na ye kan yo. Papa bi ankasa bre ne nananom beba ne nchen ye wo so ye bibi ma wo mo ye to ne nana bi din a obetutuntum papa bi agusu akwa se na katu anyina 200 Ghana cedis. Entimi nto mema atoma ba ko no atubi agusu ato bibi akwakoche ne nana no enne ma asam ne ahomte no na comment kakra ma for dia ba ewo Facebook live na se no wo say captain ye da se pa ye gidi ye sa woni utim no adwuma pa mo ye no so beba mfaso wo say no krenie akatua ebije wo say telecom industry bi a oni wo mo ye adwuma intimi mo din no akọ Facebook a wo betimi akan comment na e wa se na de na wo no hunu wo so mo ye adwuma 724 na tese 24/7 hours.
Me yanko ahoma so na fe ne Mustafa Idris or a lecturer with UPSA. Mr. Idris, good morning.
Good morning, Captain.
Mbacho net to say.
Nyamina Dumboko na musia.
Nyamina Dumo. Ebushia say obi ba university mo be kire na de okuta degree okuta HND. No be wie no be kwa kwatena be bi te say bank na be man 550 Ghana. Or your sales and marketing manager of a whole company. Next in the bus market trade 400. And then next we could number budget.
Captain Medamasi P. Metia Etiefo Asama de Bia Meka. And to say classroom, one of the things I make say Ukolani say, when you come out of the university, don't think of working for somebody. That is the problem. Obia Edwin say, Samimi dear, Sami call university, Niwe University, a Gisema Koye, a Juma Ewa Bank, Wako Shet tie, wash a suit, Wako Tina Bank. But the thing is, if you come out of the university and you can just do something for yourself, at the end of the month, you can even earn more than the 550 Ghana cedis that is being given to you when you are working in the sun. It is all about people not being that kind of creative. People are not creative. People just want to be working. Somebody has finished university or per se, or no dear Ovia. Just a government na afan ejuma, and now say, just a bank be na afan ejuma. Say, ever 550 Ghana cedis. Say, uti baby to say malam. Na de bia u konkran. Ekoye ejuma na say u kotema. Ekoye ejuma. Ufi malam ekotema. O Lord fe ya he. Eduane a obedie e ya he. Nsuo a obenum e ya he. And at the end of the month, we get here 550 Ghana cedis. It is so appalling. And most of these companies are just taking people for granted. Captain, the problem is, I have said it time and again, that one thing at the party emphasis young politics and unemployment. That is why they are paying them that low. If we do politics with unemployment, then it means that no serious investor will come and invest in a country where the majority of the guys are unemployed. No serious investor. The only investor who will come into a country where people are unemployed is coming in to exploit the people. So they come in, they establish the banks, they establish the companies, they employ your people that you are talking about, say, or they are unemployed. No, they employ them and they pay them just peanuts. And they can't do anything. It's a serious matter. And if 500 there are people who are paid 300 Ghana cedis. Hello, Captain.
Me too, Pamela.
Yes. People are paid 300 Ghana cedis. Somewhere the year 2006, me research the Ashaman, and the topic was the coping mechanisms of the peri-urban poor. Also, Ashama is a peri-urban area. Ashama came out of Tema, so it becomes a peri-urban area. You will marvel. Said the results. It was just my first degree. My first degree project work. That was what I did. What came out of that particular thing was that people are just living from hand to their lips. It doesn't even go into their mouth.
Ow.
People are living from their hand to their lips. It doesn't go into their mouth. It is a serious issue.
Senior, Eban say ya na corruption ya ye kasi ye pese ye tu ase. Ye be den ye betimi.
Oh, the problem is corruption amongst Ghanaians. It has become the order of the day. Everybody who tries to tell you that I will not do this, I will not do that, when a person gets the opportunity, they won't even do the worst things. And the problem is that, you see, Usha, say, Uko school, show from primary school to JHS to SSS to university, who we are, the entire family will now be looking at you to come and support. Now also, the Uko baby koye Jumana at the end of the month, we get to 550 Ghana cedis. and I say we get you 300 Ghana cedi, and I say we get you 150 Ghana cedi. Now, who unya onye juma ye, who o sister ba, onu su nye juma, who uncle ba, onu su nye juma, who we onu su nye juma, obia show, ebe den na corruption never back off. Osika ye kitwa bi, ye tia aketua ni ye kitwa bi 150 Ghana cedi, 250 Ghana cedi. At the end of the month, you know, one kasa waware, o yire, o ma, o mbeko school, o yire be diana momedi, o faba wo ho, o anti ba wo ho, o bia e ba wo ho, because almost say wo ye juma wo bank ma and I say wo ye juma, tem bia o bot tie, o share suits. If you get the least opportunity of being corrupt, you be corrupt. So one of the things that is also our major problem are a cost within our system now. It is about people not doing what they want to do and people not being able to do what they can do. We don't think outside the box. And for me, I've always said that say we juma na 550 Ghana cedi and I say 200 Ghana cedi. At the end of the day, pe juma kakra bia obetima ye na odi asoso. Enye sadia ebe ha.
Pacho, sir, what shut this situation now? And now Namabe was a son and the girls na bano omo pe mema and now the mema did with this situation. A young lady fraying, sir, Ofri Medina ho baby, and obesi kwa juma won samom. But so much you train a 500 cedis, and no money yet in the social security, and one be the yet in the income tax. We are 17 Ghana cedis a day, or the fucker in and out.
Yeah.
Such a lady. Otia sorry them you catch us a train, yami by 3 years, yami by 4 years, yami by 6 years. And you plan a man battery.
And then they no quit. I work about trimp now. Because on no ankasano or the 17 Ghana cedis a day, Ekwe Juma, day in and day out. I've said something, say, look, say, Obiton in Sue. I have always said that, Captain, there is nothing wrong with a graduate selling pure water by the roadside. Sa Obano, Anka Otom pure water ewa Madina market at the end of the month. Mimiti Madina. Anka Otom pure water ewa Madina market at the end of the month. Anka Obenye Sika since 550 Ghana cedi no. Pure water. Because over pure water 1 bag na air. 3 Ghana cedi. Another 3 cedi 50 pesos. Now Obeton Baku bia 20 pesos. At the end of the day, Uton 1 bag bia Ubenya at least 3 Ghana cedi also. So how much is the minimum wage? People are paid they are supposed to be paid based on the minimum wage, but people are not doing it. Our systems are not working, and that is our problem. Government institutions, Obia Unko Ejuma BMU, say me kwa say we omutia Ejuma F1 say the actual minimum wage. They don't do it. And Timanu say anka or bet me aye bibia. Because to live from Medina to Nsawam every day, 5 days in a week, the risk involved in even traveling to that particular place, it's not easy. Tambe no be sora fifi. Tambe no be sora fifi. Tambe no be sora fifi. Tembia o sora fifi a by say 4 o'clock. By say 4 o'clock at the end of the day. What? No. At the end of the day, over there.
Ha! Yes, you.
And no any problem, no.
Mr. Idris, I don't pay me that.
Okay, Mr. Midasi.
Nane, Gillian Bentel, or say, what do obey school aquacutia and then university school fees and na form. Na owia okoko pedwuma wa wasia to botoma yisika hande amano ni sika ogeno enne nye hwemema mesin enfifi na mesoma behwa masia tutu ni sika ogeni ntimi hwe no na ba behwe afi na wo bo ba no ho ka akwakoye den system no essay
Deborah Freeman, General Secretary, my Union of Informal Workers Association, TUC. Debbie, good morning.
Good morning, Captain.
Not to say. Hey, let's talk to Uncle Fortune in our country.
Captain, me, Jamina, Namin for so. Namamasu, when Yam. Now, as some who came there, I had some sabet because Ghana Hano, the APOSO, I said, just Yamubim de Yaka. Now, I have some because poverty, no, eh? A month for Nisiko. A month for Nisika. You won't perform more year, Juma, just a more year, you might then answer. Become free mumba. Nanso, you can't Canada. Yeah, dear, you were informal sector. Young for I know more year, Juma artisans, market women, caterers, aluminium fabricators, pepper dealers, porters, and any account. Now, typical of your members, they be mamina or coiska or a bank of Homa, your cobo no. And see, near I want to say Ghana, then I if we say it will share a workforce now about over 95% and or more informal section. There's more we or more you want a cracker. Now, if you want somewhere in the cracker, and I say, I can't be up. Almost very a human match as a human outcome or more. The answer is no. In the first place, only access to space. For you have a big crowd, in a human cry, just a day I can also sound showing through. Only a access to a friend saying, formal sources of finance. So, when you get trivia, a more do a crown on the better than it. Only, you know, Anna, can. Just an impano, sir, or to survive one day. Kakra yuma kakra na oye no so tumi ya kakra onu ode kakra ba hwe no ho ne ebushia so kwa na hom dwemu so a situation net say make retirement and say ano pay me da sisa wa frɛ me na nyamba sam kan say e wasa o man yetumi ya hwehwɛ mre bi a ɛbɛboa temamufo ma yedi yi ɛho hia papa I will see a study situation, the situation of the ordinary Ghanaian. Or how is the ordinary Ghanaian surviving? Now, I have some amount for Nisika. Just a morning. It's in here. Most of the was about me in the first place. Minimum wage, and I was say, your pajamu. And now I can say minimum wage is 9.68. Yami Adoma, Yatum Krano, next year, Yatum 10.65. So multiply 9.68 times 30, I say. And you know, Emma, Ejuma be institutions be quite more take advantage of workers. So see, I can say to be a Juma of 300 Ghana cedis. So who come pa, a Juma for number to make you for mutilated. If it's a minimum wage in one Casano, a form. And to know your National Travelers Committee.
Lady Bia sending me a message to see our. Or see, okay, I don't know if I should mention the name. What's wrong with the but I take 400 as a salary. Total calculation of my transportation is 290. My light bill and toilet bill. Hey, toilet bill. Oh. Yes. If you go out every month. Over.
If you baby one cry ha, utimwa every month utuya toilet ka. Common, a common practice.
I tell you.
Oh, if you want to leave your leg, you have to pay.
Okay, Debbie TA. My light bill and toilet bill is 50 Ghana. Food and others is not part. Hello, Nana, are you there? Me respond here. And I watch our said thanks so much for the discussion today. Such a lady, Braben Obebo.
You see? Oh, and a friend and chrono sabi prostitution near there no equasono. Representing pan on what you know. Oh, no, what you know, out of one or more cars, and I will say a crayfish make a friend and condition make crayfish band. Oh, and yes, a sasa or pasa or boom, na condition or woman. I know na ama and no one and no opening. I was say, Ghana, you to me sorry. Yet to me sorry, and I'm a candidate, and minimum wage, and I will say a pejam, Manu Kosovo. I say a DB Camu, Jazenka, we are you are Ghana high. You will see me young 1,000 Ghana cities. As a minimum wage, I will say, Saka. Now, so say a maximum of 300 cities. It's to me the core national from the national level, you to me pejam one, a free and brand new, I am forcing will be institutions, be you make sure say I am forcing obi adwuma wa wo tia below that amount no no babwa and after so one kasa ye omboje adwuma no e was say to me e bia ma friends saying omunya access to finance just say okọ banks no bank to me ma motivate to me ma loans with flexible payments friends and terms any low friends interest was so and it's an even to me akọ anymore. Nanya sa policies akase yourself so and there yan na babwan I see you 2 years dia ya hwe omo itimamufo no omo ehia dia nkasa practically me yetumi boa yes a situation and a captain winning pension social pension scheme so I see you 2 week kan ho asampa if you say so be ko na home die mu a na so ni sika and also increase poverty level or oman. And the true teacher pension scheme and the Yamia Mrano at 7 pensions at 7 sixes. Emma Quima, one Kasa Yom Wajuma, only formal employment relationship, one Kasa should be saved for retirement. Now, I am say, and also a Bible to me, I have in the form of co-pay, and I say, matching contribution. Says, Obi, Nakasa and Juma. Or Sanchina got to contribute to so cheap if you advance the percentage you come. Not just or save for retirement. The interesting aspect of it is say savings, you say I tell me 1 year for retirement, the other is savings. The savings in the one so to me save for up to about 6 months or who finds or bomb busia. And also but me a woman for 4 years a push up on one business. One say, yeah, and say, you go in him. You know, and the no matter why bet me I but I say your food a normal airport. You know.
And minimum wage and Koba saying.
Who be Samia minimum wage no. Me Susan say young Pejam about about 40.5 you know about 40 because the CR no 9.68. Now saying about last week, National Tripartite Committee is now there no more pejam for against next year. On one pejam 10.65, and 2 multiply and I just say about 360
Ghana cedis.
Yes, it's so cra. I was just me pejam much as a minimum. Not just about 1,000 Ghana cedis minimum. Not just a oh yeah, Juma. Oh sorry, we got show water. You say okay, Juma. When him say okay, Juma. At least. When you be cacao, 90 way dear hard thing opening a hard thing. And to young tackle from the head, and only minimum wage no. A quite an say a tackle as a free. And she said, your pay minimum wage and could be our level now. Now, if they are enforced law now, what is your chair will be below that? I would me taking pan on. That's a say idea from the top now is shot. Into be 300 where then I wouldn't call a court and I say visa watombra. Won't to me. Because of bad defending who say, that's a minimum wage, you know, say that. And I open what you might say.
That's what I say, pa.
Yeah, where'd you my pa? You would you my
Debbie Medase. Until when you know, children and Bank of Ghana governor the salary yasa tum kan na ye 124,000 Ghana cedis no.
O kan say ye nhunu ni
1.24 billion. GRA boss.
Bosome billion.
Ghana Revenue Authority boss. The salary say a review asa kosro. Kan na ye 102,000 1.1 billion and 200
Ghana cedis.
Senate boss Canada 88,606 880 million. Cocoa board na 89,000. Abai ba omka so mbete so meni bebe yate so akoduro. It is here 75,000 Ghana cedis. To say 75 for 750 million. List manager Cocoa board 44,000. Managers now more national 44,000 440 million. ADB boss just 69,690 million.
ADB I agree.
Captain. This you see
from 89 to 75 and to 75. And so what is your
Captain? Ghana nyabocho na katua ba kopebosome etimi to estate house.
Abi adanti me amobo.
Na ni party ya da container wo nya baby na.
But what is the president to salary? I can say 29,000. What is this?
Captain, I'm looking at it this way. Oko amaya hodo ni bisao. The reason why you was shop I will be to me I walk in akodidi no pie no. Na uye hiani at least ubenya osone wo de na ne se wadwen ye wo se emfa wo ho ene udi ye wo wuti ye very soon your neighbor na onye bi ni no you will become the target. Edu some level be in Ghana say now
wow
ote ka kesie mu a obi ahu se oye kronfo is because system no from ho no wo mia na Amadu say ono ehunu somewhere bi say ono bre na wudi ye elsewhere phone ye ukure ya na captain ye wo esikafo price a wo moto ene ye wo ahia for price a wo nso to entu ukura phone ono nso betumi anya phone ayusu ya ye system no search say ye ni no enhia ni pi no omre pi na adwembone manitim si amfa that situation ni bi ama ne yekoso ama wo mo ahia wo mo no the poor gets poorer and the rich get richer. A time will come into me containing system no.
Captain, do you know why we have many pastors today? These are the reasons. With church he can prophesy falsely and chop small.
Na ne ma me fa ba konka ho na
boss here 74
lecturer ne ka asem bi se no na ma ema no bi ebo best na mema no so mo ho kire wo ne hwe emfa no nya wo ho anu yiye se eno ne bema adwaman na mema ya frɛ wo mo so akatua nye na wo se obema na akatua nye wo oba akatua nya ene wo de kokobɔ so ade na benya frim ye wo countries a ye tua mema ne ka ye echema Ghana ntesa Ghana eyepe
no but ekwamde no
menka se odi ekwam ene ekwa
na ekwamde no ntoye
na so be ma no so komde no
enso be kwa be so komde na bi obekwa be ma wobi
na se ne ma no so bi wobi enti nya eno nya anu yi a wodi be bo adwaman
enti me ma no bi so ekwa ma na wobi no ho
enu ya anu ya ma no so yesakawa krono no ma so bobi nation ba ya nyina ye
o hwa ne dodo a
enti memme ye mfa no nya nu ye na unim ye ka se minimum wage ye nte so nto so se de be ya akatua be kosoro se system no ohu mu ye mre a akatua we nya akatua anka sebi enso na mum na me nche wade na nya boche ye betimi ama obi nipa e ma no 85 Ghana cedis na osu no ye betimi ama ne 1000 cedis enso no because o hwedan a obetu dan ka obetua light bill a obetua car obefa ne bo because full bo edin fiewura wayere ne danso because any housing system papa bia wo Ghana ha cost of living obeko hospital papa or pay yare papa okona ne bo den a o man 1,000 Ghana cedis are still no ho be kire no enti ni nyina ko ba begu aban ni ko mu say cost of living inflation akosro okita 1,000 Ghana cedis a ade a wode ye no anso hwe okita 200 Ghana cedis a ade a wode to no anso hwe
no I think zero ni biara Mr. Wow number last number is 709 because me Moscow ni din say 70 Ghana
or chad the teacher ni
and TNT 3 cedis. Oh
okay would Mama Cho was say are you sure
the kind advance
would Mama Cho was say are you sure
oh yeah sure na mama for wo chire wo mo
o calculate here wo mo age sa 500 ne 600 no kra no bisa ne sabo so me na ni twaduru sen
enfa ni ntwa new baby da bi ba akatua mbeba no na wo de ka
wa kan me sure so be respond say
akatua ne beba na wo de ka wa
but in all situation nenye but I also advise say we should be moderate in our spending. Wo be no na ya paint picture no wan say enye easy. Enti no sa wo hwe na ho nso a wo be hu obi na ne mobile phones be 15. We bon ha akesesem no meanwhile wo so no just say nothing there your system inside. Ebi wo wa emma wo be wura ne dem empaboa different bebre ways.
I say yes and because of that why I stopped.
No 70 Ghana omo enche no mpacho 70 Ghana you should say action. 70 Ghana say this is a criminal offense. This is serious criminal. No, Captain. You can't pay somebody 70 Ghana. How? Oh, and Captain, as I was saying, say ebane say unya kakra nso a no why moderate kakra. Waste any be or honso a ya na endorse.
Post the penny be the message we have.
I said then. So
penifon dey ya na
private security for no dey omo dey na 150 dey I say
on cancer on that catch you.
Ketwa na fine.
On cancer on that catch you.
And Captain, un say ye ha no weather ni ntino e ma bi a wo sha atade nche na.
Obeni men kan why.
Wo sha nche outside no betumi a sha atade ba ko be 1 week. Nti e ho no bi a be sha no ba ye ha weather ni ntino be sesasesem but so wakatua ni sha no what economize now because e bin so ni bi kra
coffee
adem foforo bi abaye mu
I say I try the sunkura ka ho
wa send ni bebere wo say ba ya be hu
I say good morning captain. Those earning 150 to 500 they are in a very good condition.
And I make say you see situation
mobile money for mobile
bank. He's envying somebody who is earning 150 Ghana cedis.
Yes. That's a prison, sir.
I wish I earn half of 500 Ghana. I earn 100 Ghana cedis a month. 5.5 cedis for social security. Transport is 3 cedis a day. I'm a disabled person. Due to the pains of work, I buy drugs 10 Ghana cedis every week. It is so sad, Captain.
It's serious. And I'm a cano. O can we nyina bom na o sign the wo mu a enni bi ya kura no osore a wonni ba bi o na ni ba kire kura no wanya bi kura dina ho. No situation no man when I say
at the stranger
a build it. You see? Say that is what I mean. A building, and it's very dangerous. And in the will be now, we should fight to make sure that at least because Captain Papa be not what na fear what the next neighbor. Why you don't know what son or some family home? Nipa no so no bet me to no farmer advice na kakra nature so no so I didn't know
na Kofi
onyas kan hwen kra no they tend to be armed robbers and they started attacking or no so whatever happens to somebody
any be no I think the only joy they have
entertainment
is making love.
But no so ya na dey adwen kakra to
no Kofi
you can make love but betimi abo nsen
ko ba dey adwen kakra to you see
sikana odi kwato dro
then you use
the sikana odi ɔde to aduro no ne bo ɔde kyɛn sika na ɔde bɛtɔ aduro ne bo no enu ka sika de bɛkɔ antenatal ne bo nu sɛ yɛbɛkasa sika yɛn ka ho
no wo te hɔ na wo dwuna antenatal ho
na sika yɛn ka wo bɛtɔ samina wo bɛtɔ akadeɛ
wɔn sɛ wo calculate aborɔfo calculation wo yɛ graduate for calculation antenatal
wo bɛka ho
ɔbɛposa nunum
no wabo
no wa sa
eto omoda okwa hospitals a bia wo aka hospital mu ntimi mpie enti nya ni nyina na nunum etimi ye enti sa wo de toto wo sa obebo nyinsan no ho ban a ene enkan no ye
no am na kan ni so kaya papa no se ade ntina na ye na kɔ wo hospital no wasoma no so nkɔ wo
papa ne sa wo se ye sa no
dabi o se onu wotu hɔ yi wo ofie maami oje awo yi
o anyim da onim sɛ deɛ nyensa sitie sɛ nipa no fa ne mɛyɛ example ɔsɛ sɛ yɛ sa no wansa mfata wo
enti wɔn akɔ hospital kɔ wo na yɛ ka ne bi hɔ yɛ mistake wan kra fie wo kra yɛ ma
ko because ko wo abill
sa mɛma ne mo yɛ wudifo a wɔsɛ
ɛnyɛ wudifo sika ne na ni hɔ
na sika ni wa enti nam sɛ bob nyensa no ho ba ɛma ne ma
at least you the withdrawal method
the cheapest. Eba no way.
So we slim.
Dabi
eba we dey do to say George Mia.
We dream beja.
Eba ya no wa beja.
George aka just so beja.
Eba aya beja.
Ati. When you send ho ban na.
Mama be say na say mo. Oh, no free na so. No putting in. Ya na le mama. Asa na re ho.
Eko na kotodwe ne akrante pa na ugu dwane so sei